طلع electrical engineer كمان. أيوة.
Also, what we can help, because we can help from the manufacturing, the machine side. So we do manufacture the solar panel production lines, including the whole turnkey solution and also the individual machines. So the basic introduction of our company. So we are based in Washington State, the Great Seattle area. It's very nice to meet you. This is our Chinese factory. We always do the trunk delivery to all of the city. So let me introduce my main products. So the first one, as Professor Tito mentioned just now, is the solar panel laminator. It's just all the solar cells, glass, EVA sheets, and all other components will be needed to, like a sandwich, to be combined together. We use to increase the temperature of the chamber and also control the vacuum level to make the EVA melt. After it melts, it will be just like a glue and combine everything together. So that's the whole point of the laminator, and that's what we will show you the demo in the laboratory later. And I would like to show you the video first. This is from one of our previous installation. This is to put the thermal sheet into it to prevent the high temperature. And then you lay up all the solar cells and you put it into this machine, this laminator. After all this lamination, all the high temperature and the vacuum, it will come out as a whole biscuit. So that's the whole point of laminator. And oh, by the way, we do provide different automatic levels of the laminator because if in a lower capacity, only the semi-automation will be good enough. And also we do provide two different options of the heating. One is thermal oil heating, another is electrical heating. So what we're using here is using the thermal oil heating. It's pretty efficient. So second machine is solar cell stringer. This point is actually when you build a solar panel, you will need to string all the different solar cells into one string, and so that you can lay it up onto the panel. So basically, we can do that manually. So people just put it one by one. However, we do also have an automatic machine to do this project. What we're seeing is this machine arm just lay up all the solar cells into one line. This is what we call solar string. By the way, we do use visual positioning, which is the CCD camera, to accurate all the positions. So we do have all the intelligence and automatic components in this machine. And so this one is boosting machine. So actually, boosting machine is to laying all the bus bars onto the solar cells, because bus bar is just like the highway of the circuit, and you will need to put all the bus bars onto different solar cells so that it can create a complete electricity way. So similar with the stringer, actually you can do this. You can put these solar bars manually, but we do also provide a automatic machine here. So you can see here is with the arms put. This is the bus bar. It might be difficult to see, but the silver thin line is what we call the bus bars. So the circuit will go through these old highways. So it's kind of the final process, because after we make all the whole panel, we will always need to inspect it to see what's the efficiency of it. Is it good? If it's not, we will need to just fix it, to repair it. So that's what we provide, EL tester. So this is actually look like a computer camera to look inside it. And then we do have some AI calculation software to see, oh, here is a crack, here is something broken, so that we can pick it up. By the way, we do have all the nameplates on each different panel so that you can easily find out which one is not a good one, so that you can go back to the fix. So This is how we insert one panel onto the below of the camera. This is the completed panel with a frame. And if you use a bifacial, you might not need a frame with all the junction box. Oh, here, this computer is where the operator to inspect all the things. Yeah. Oh, on one hand, we do have the software to just do it, pick it automatically. And another side, we always have one operator to check it manually. It's both okay. So this is a very beginning machine. Actually, it started from the very cut the solar cells into half pieces because of in the market, the solar cell manufacturers are always making something big. But in our real operation, we always need to cut it into half. This is because we can reduce the circuit, we can reduce the heat, so that we can increase the efficiency. Because the higher temperature, the more heat generated, and then we'll just lost a lot of efficiency. Yeah, so we can also provide you manual machine and also semi-automatic machine is both okay. So this machine's idea is use the laser to cut it. The red spot you see here is the laser actually. So the position is controlled by computer, and the laser is all automatic. So besides of all the different individual machines, we also provide you raw materials. Just as Professor Tito mentioned just now, the price of the unit price per watt has been decreased a lot. He mentioned 0.6, but
in 2019,
yeah.
Installation and all the green energy policy, it went down to 0.1.
And with our Chinese raw materials, we can do that. Yeah. So it's good to know that we do provide you all the one-stop things, one package. We can source all the materials for you. Yeah. Okay. So talking about our technical advantages, we do have all the AI-generated intelligent integration to provide you all the automatic things, but we also have the like semi-automatic or manual options for you. It's pretty flexible, and we can do all the customization for you because we always let show you this. This is the CAD file we created for our customer. You just let me know how my floor plan looks like, how big area do I have, and what capacity do I want, so that we can draw this drawing for you. And we can even avoid all the columns of the version stations, all the different things for you. So that's the point of customize. And we do also provide our customer a lot of different support. So this is our on-site technical support to New York Columbia University. They do have a similar agriculture project. Yeah, it's also a clean house. And for this is our engineer to provide you remote technical support. Yeah, because they just, if you don't want to pay for the travel fee or the technical service fee, we can provide you all the free remote service, because you just send us pictures, videos, so that our engineers will in the group. In this group we do have 12 persons. That's a huge team. Yeah. Okay. So we did had a lot of successful case studies, especially in universities and solar factories. Yeah. For example, this is I mentioned just now is a farm in New York. This is similar to Professor Tito mentioned just now. It's also the project of Duncan. It's a transparent panels. That's we made for them. They use these transparent panels for their clear greenhouse to grow all the veggies. So this is also our engineer to fix all the machines for them on site. Okay. So we do want to provide you the machines to help like universities or small factories to build their own panels, yeah, so that you can just stay stable, do not have any impact of the policy. So you can make a lot of advantage from the clean energy. So that's presentation, and later we will show you the demo of the laminator in the other room. Thank you.